Transferring money from one country to another, from the UK to abroad, for example, is a very significant business, and it's evolving rapidly with technology. Georgy with Wirex and Daumantas with TransferGo, both of you are innovating in this area, bringing costs down and increasing customer satisfaction levels and customer experience levels in the industry overall. One of the things that's happening, of course, is digital or cryptocurrencies are entering the picture. Georgy, I want to start with you. What do you think needs to happen for cryptocurrencies to become mainstream?
We think the key component is regulation, although it's making our lives a little bit harder in terms of the amount of work and resources we have to allocate to building the product. In the end, it's for the benefit because it will ensure that only reputable players and professional players are allowed to deal with people's money and create value for people. And it will increase trust, and that will build the road to mass adoption. Otherwise, it could remain a niche forever.
We see a lot of merit in the blockchain technology as a more efficient, scalable information exchange protocol that will allow us to scale instant payouts globally. I think it's become clearer and clearer that crypto assets in their own merit won't solve some of the structural problems that prevent instant cross-border payments, like last mile delivery, like managing risk, like managing liquidity. These are the actual problems that we need to solve as an infrastructure provider, as a platform, to enable actual end-to-end instant money movement on a cross-border basis.
What's your vision for that?
Client wants to send money to their friends and family instantly, period. They don't care about which bank, which wallet, which network, in other words, the recipient is at. And we're starting from this experience and trying to build it point by point. So today, what we're doing, we're enabling instant payouts in seconds across various banking groups. So the customer can be sure that regardless of the bank, they will get the money. And we are using some of the blockchain by partnering with Ripple to scalably integrate that solution. So it's like adding more partners faster. That's the value of blockchain for us today.
And Georgy, security obviously is a big topic in this industry. What's your approach at Wirex to data security?
We think it's right to focus on what you do best. What we do best is the bridge, the on-ramp and off-ramp between the, say, real fiat money and the nascent crypto financial infrastructure. Where we can, we rely on professional suppliers of crypto custody, etc. We do two-factor authentication. We do complex device authorization so that no one can access your account from a random device. So a lot of those things are taking place, and we're making most of them compulsory rather than just optional, as 2FA used to be a few years ago. These systems get audited and recertified regularly.
One of the things that's plagued the industry and the consumer experience is a very high cost to transfer funds abroad. Daumantas, how is your technology solving this problem?
We have a new way to move value abroad. So we bypass traditional ways of moving value abroad, which is SWIFT. That's how banks move money internationally. And so what we do, we actually move money without moving it. So we hold pre-funded capital and we pay local payouts on the receive side, and we manage liquidity. It's what we call local in, local out solution. So this on individual transaction bypasses the traditional banking system. That's why it's instant and at a fraction of a cost of what it would cost for you to actually use SWIFT via bank to move value.